Hi, in this video let me show you how to factory reset your Skullcandy Push Play Active earbuds in case you're having issues with them or in case you want to pair them with a new device. So step number one is to put them both inside of the case. Then you're going to take them out, and actually before taking them out I suggest you disconnect them from any device. So if you have connect them with your iPhone, go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone and erase them. Okay, take them out, and we need to keep press the Skullcandy logo, okay, this skull over here, during 6 seconds. Keep your finger press on both of these buttons during 6 seconds, and then release. Put them back inside of the case. Wait about 3 seconds, and then take them out. If you notice, okay, since now they have been resetted, the light, the LED light on them will blink white and will blink blue, which means that they are in pairing mode, ready to be paired with a new device. You see, blue, white. This is perfect. It means they got resetted. So let me show you how to pair them with an Android smartphone in case this is what you're looking for. If you have an iPhone, it's about the same thing. You're going to go into the Bluetooth settings. You're going to drop down from the top right corner. You're going to find Bluetooth. You're going to keep press on it. Then you're going to see available devices. If you don't see that, click on details and you'll be on the Bluetooth menu. And under available devices, usually it's at the bottom of the screen, you're going to press on your Push Play Active. You're going to select pair. And right now they are paired, as you see, perfect. I can even see the battery percentage remaining in them. At this point, you can simply open any music app, YouTube, put them in your ears and start using them. Once you're done using them, put them back inside of the case, and over here on your Samsung, on your Android smartphone, it will switch back to the internal speakers of your phone. And once you take them back from the case and you put them in your ears, it will switch back to them. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.